We're live.
Okay.
Hi guys. I do that every time. Hold on, let me find the live feed so that we can make sure that it doesn't go offline. There we are.
Okay.
All right. Hi guys.
Hi.
Somebody suggested in the Keto Chow support group that maybe we should try making Bloody Marys out of the Keto Chow tomato soup. And a Bloody Mary happens to be my favorite drink. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. And we have no idea if this is gonna turn out, but we thought that we would do it with you guys live. So here we go. This morning I mixed up a Keto Chow tomato soup and placed it in the refrigerator so that it could set, get thick, get cold. I did add about a tablespoon of Tabasco sauce to this. And you're gonna give it a little sip and see if it needs a little bit of Alterna Sweets spicy ketchup, because that right there might bump up the tomato flavor for us.
That's spicy.
Is it spicy?
Whoa.
Does it
Yeah.
does it need any ketchup? Let's just put a little bit in it.
Can't hurt.
Can't hurt.
And horseradish too.
Horseradish too? Okay. I'll let you do the horseradish. So I'm just using a scooper from one of his is it a Keto Chow scooper?
That is a Keto Chow.
That is a Keto Chow scooper. I'll use that. This is about how much Alterna Sweet spicy ketchup I have in here. It's probably 2 tablespoons, I'm guessing. Looks about right.
One blob of.
1 blob of horseradish. I might need you to just, oh, no, it came right out. Okay, so we've got 2 tablespoons of Alterna Sweet spicy ketchup. We have about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of horseradish. And we're going to add some Tito's vodka. I just have a little Starbucks Christmas ornament. 1 of these or 2 of these?
2, because it's for 2 of us.
Okay, so 2 shots.
That's good.
Probably a little bit bigger than 2 shots.
No, yeah, it doesn't need to be too full of that. I thought. Okay. Whatever.
You girls partying tonight. I'm also doing a Keto Chow challenge right now where it's like 7 days of pure Keto Chow. So this is perfect. This is still Keto Chow, right? Right. All right. I'm going to give this to you
All right. I'll shake it up.
to shake it up.
I got it. All right.
All shaken?
Wait, do we put our
I think we
food
pour
items?
and then stick them in.
All
So we
right.
have 2 mason jars with ice cubes. Our Keto Chow Bloody Mary mix. I'm just gonna smell it. Oh wow,
It's spicy.
it smells spicy. Oh, it pours nicely. It's pretty thick, but you know what, you guys, we're just experimenting. Why not? And this is a meal replacement, so all of our protein and everything we need is in here, so this is like dinner. You ready for our alcoholic dinner? All right, so we're gonna garnish our items now. I'm gonna put a celery in mine.
I'm gonna add an onion. I don't know which way to do it.
I don't either. I'll add an onion to mine too.
Oh yeah, you did
I
olives?
did olives. How do you do? Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna
Yeah.
stick mine in my celery. Is that how you do it?
Yeah, and we have our bacon.
Because I don't have that artistic part of me to like make things look nice, and we did grab some bacon. Oh, and we each got 1 shrimp. The guy at the grocery store is laughing at us because I literally asked for 2 shrimps. All right, you guys ready for the final product? We probably should taste this live too, just in case.
All right.
Now hold it there for a second so I can screen grab it. Smile, it'll be our thumbnail. I should move my hand. Okay, there, smile again. Thumbnail! All right, here are our Keto Chow Bloody Marys. Let me do 1 more thumbnail.
All right.
All right, hold hold on.
Taste them.
We got a straw.
I'll wait for you. Ready?
I'm nervous.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's not bad.
That's pretty good.
It's actually good.
That's really good.
Oh, that's spicy. That's super spicy. Okay, let me try to think of what I would do different a little bit. I think I would add less Tabasco sauce and a little bit more ketchup. Maybe 4 tablespoons.
That could be. It's pretty good though.
Wow, this is good. All right. Well, guys, this is what we have going on tonight. We're going to let our dogs out. We're going to put the dogs away. And we're going to go watch Stranger Things.
Okay.
Bye. Thanks for watching. You guys should order some keto chow and try this. Bye. Do you want to shut it off?
Oh, yeah.